Did you know that you could make a lot of money for simply checking for spelling errors on a Word document? Well, if you didn't know that, today I'm going to show you how you can make money for simply looking at a Word document and just checking if there are any spelling errors. And if you find any spelling errors, just correct them and make money. It sounds nice, right? Well, it is. All you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to make a lot of money for just checking for spelling errors and correcting the errors on a Word document. It's very easy to do. You don't really need any skill. You don't need to have a good English standard. This is absolutely easy because I'm going to show you a method where you can automatically do this without any experience or any skill needed. Okay, well, before I show you the method, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. It's absolutely free, just that red button. I'd really appreciate it. Click subscribe, turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video, you can easily be able to watch it. And just know this method I'm showing you today is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to register or anything like that, and it's available worldwide. So there's no need to say that you're in a country where you don't have access to this website that I'll be showing you or anything like that. Whether you're in America or South America or Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, you can actually do this from all the continents of the earth. So let's get on to the video. The website we're going to be looking at today is called Hyacinth. If you've heard of Hyacinth, well, I'm going to explain to you how you can actually make money today. So just make sure you listen to what I'm saying and just pay attention and don't skip the video. This is Hyacinth, and Hyacinth is a platform where you can actually get different kinds of jobs which can actually pay you good amounts of money. So if we scroll down over here, we can see we have typing jobs, paid survey jobs, proofreading jobs. So we're going to focus on proofreading jobs, which says that editing Microsoft Word files and checking for spelling and grammatical errors. So that's what we want to do. So we want to click on proofreading jobs. So when you click on proofreading jobs, there's going to be a little description, as you can see over here. Thank you for your interest in applying for an at-home proofreading position with hyacinth.com. We hire part-time and full-time proofreaders who demonstrate superlative proofreading and editing skills. Hyacinth's team of talented professionals has left behind the daily commute for the advantages of working virtually. So it's basically letting you know about this opportunity and how you can actually make money from home just by actually checking for spelling errors. So what you'll need to do, you just definitely need to apply, which is absolutely free, and then you can get working. If you look over here, you get paid between $5 to $10 for each page. It's usually around $10 lately. I don't know why. A few months ago it was around $5, but these days it's $10 for each page. I don't know, by the time you're watching the video, maybe it will be even more. But right now you get paid $10 per page that you correct, and they provide like articles from like big companies where they want you to actually check for spelling errors, and you need to do it correctly and actually thoroughly look through the document and make sure that everything makes sense, and you need to actually read the document and make sure that there are no spelling errors. So I'm going to show you, for example, an article that they'll give you, and you just need to make sure that you check for spelling errors. For example, you'll get something like this, which I have, and it's all on the topic of the coronavirus, as I can see over here, and they'll just want you to check for spelling errors. So you'll see all the spelling errors will basically be underlined in red. So you just want to make sure that you can right click and correct them. You can just right click and correct them. So as you can see, just one page over here, this is $10 alone. And sometimes they can actually provide you with a page that doesn't actually have spelling errors. So I don't know how they calculate it, but for what I know, they're actually going to pay you for the amount of pages that did have errors, and then got fixed by you. So, but most pages usually have errors. As I can see, there are a lot of errors on this page. Over here, there's some errors that need to be fixed. So that's all you'll be basically doing. So it is time consuming, but I'm going to show you a method where you don't actually have to sit on this Word document and one by one, be fixing the errors one by one like that. There's another method I want to show you over here. Go and type in Grammarly. If you're on Google, for example, if you're on the Google homepage, just type in Grammarly. Okay. Grammarly, then you want to click on this one, www.grammarly.com. So when you click on Grammarly, you're going to see here, Great Writing Simplified. So it's basically a free extension on Google Chrome where they actually fix the errors for you. So they're just going to check all the errors and it's actually going to do the entire job for you. So you actually can just leave it there to work for you. You don't have to literally correct every single word by yourself, but you can just rely on Grammarly and it's absolutely free. Grammarly is going to do everything for you. And as you can see, 20 million people use Grammarly to improve their writing, which means that Grammarly is a big thing and it actually helps a lot in saving you time, and you can make a lot of money. Basically, you can just go onto Hyacinth and get articles and they're going to pay you $10 per page. So if, for example, this has 21 pages. So if we go onto the online calculator on the internet, let's do, for example, online calculator, and let's check something. So let's type in 21 pages multiplied by $10. So as you can see, 21 multiplied by 10 is 210. So you're going to make $210 just for one article, and just because you're fixing errors, and basically you can just use Grammarly to do everything for you. That is just a wonderful, wonderful thing. So this is money you can actually be making, and that's what I want to show you today. The website is called Hyacinth. It's hyacinth.com, where you can actually get access to this opportunity. And there's also another website I want to show you guys. It's called proofreadingservices.com. They basically do the same things, but they pay you even more. So you want to go over there and check that out, because they're in cooperation with the University of Cambridge, Vogue, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Harvard University, Pearson, Cisco. So this is an even bigger platform where you can get $47 per page that you actually fix. So these are the opportunities I want to show you where you can actually make money for simply, fixing errors on a Word document. And it's something you can do on your phone and on your computer, well, preferably on your computer, because you can clearly see the errors. But if you have a good phone as well, you can do that on your phone or your iPad. It doesn't really matter. So I hope you like this video. Please give this video a like. Comment any questions you have below. Thank you so much for watching. Just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Turn on all post notifications. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support, guys. I hope people support you as well in whatever you're doing. And yeah, cheers.